This is Wildlife 3rd grade worksheet lesson 7, and I'm going to be doing the circled questions. So number 1, use subtraction to find the difference. So I'm just going to subtract the numbers. 9 minus 4, that's 5. 3 minus 8, we can't do that, so take 1 and add a 10, so that becomes 13. 13 minus 8, that's 5. And 1 minus 4, we can't do that, so I'm going to change this to a 4 and add a 10, so that becomes 11. 11 minus 4, that's 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's our answer. Number 4, 1 minus 8, can't do that, so take a 1. This becomes 8. And this becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is also 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's our answer. Okay, question 7. 0 minus 4, you can't do that, so take a 1. That becomes 8. This becomes 10. So 10 minus 7, that's 3. 8 minus 4, that's 4. And then don't forget the decimal. Put the decimal point. 6 minus 2, that's 4. And 3 minus 3 is 0, so this is our answer. Okay, number 2, write less than, greater than, or equal to for each missing sign. So I'm going to solve 2 different equations here. So 135 minus 90. Well, 5 minus 0, that's just 5. 3 minus 9, can't do that. Take a 1. Well, it's the same. 13. 13 minus 9, that's 4. So this is 45. And this one, 235 minus 69. Let's work it out. 5 minus 9, you can't do that, so take a 1. This becomes a 2. This becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 22 minus 6. Oh, actually, let's just take a 1. This becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. And just bring the 1 down. So that's 166. And we can see that, well, 166 is greater than 45. So I'm going to put a less than symbol. I'm going to put that right here. Number 5. Again, I have to find the answer to both of these. So 355 minus 125. 5 minus 5, that's 0. 5 minus 2, that's 3. And 3 minus 1, that's 2. So we got 230 here. Now the text box. 963 minus 845. Let me just move this over here. Well, 3 minus 5, can't do that, so take a 1. This becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 9 minus 8 is also 1. So this one is 118. And we know that 230 is greater than 118, so I'm going to put a greater than symbol in there. I'm going to put greater than. Okay. Number 2, use subtraction to find the missing number. So to find this missing number, I'm going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. I'll subtract it. So 23.89, let me move it over here, minus 13.54. So 9 minus 4, that's 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Remember to put the decimal. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer right here is 10.35. Okay, number 4. 65.91 minus 6.05. So let me just move this over here. Okay, 1 minus 5, well, can't do that, so take a 1. This becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 8 minus 0 is 8. Remember to bring the decimal. And 5 minus 6 can't do that, so this becomes 5. This becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And we just bring the 5 down, so it becomes, so our answer to number 4 is 59.86. Oops, 0.86 there. Okay, number 11. So I have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So let me write this out. 15,897 minus 9,626. I'll move this right here. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 8 minus 6 is 2. And 15 minus 9 is 6. So our answer for this will be 6,271. Okay, word problem number 2. The hotel was built 4 years before the stadium was built. 4 years before the stadium. The stadium was built in 2002. How old was the hotel in 2011? So first, to find how old the hotel was in 2011, we have to find the year the hotel was built. And they tell us that the hotel was built 4 years before the stadium. And the stadium was built in 2002. So, to find the age of the hotel, to find when the hotel was built, I'm going to subtract 4 from 2002. So, 4 minus 2, can't do that. So, you can't do that either because that's a 0. So I'm going to look over here, can't do that. Oh, here's a 2. Let me change that to a 1, change that to a 9. I'm going to change it to a 9, not a 10, because I have to take 1 out to move to here. And this also becomes a 9 because I have to take 1 out, move it over here, and this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And I just bring the numbers down. 9, 9, 1. So the hotel was built in 1998. So now we have to find how old was the hotel in 2011. Well, I'm just going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 2011 2011 minus 1998. So 1 minus 8, you can't do that. So I'm gonna go to this number here, change that to a 0. This becomes 11. 11 minus 8, that's 3. Oh, 0 minus 9, can't do that. Oh, there's a 0 here. So I'm gonna subtract the 1 from here. This becomes 9 because remember, I have to move 1 over here. This becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0. So the hotel was the hotel was 13 years old. because